So what is happening here ideally is that she has flash read the entire book. She's flash read the entire book, and all the pages over here have been stored like photographs in her head. So all she does is, as soon as she gives the page number, she looks at the photograph in her head, and then talks about the page. This is like watching a sci-fi movie. Alright, you would feel that there's an alien inside, but she's a very normal child, and we have a mother here. If you could just stick your hand up. She had actually taken the basic program when? January this year, about 12 months back. She had taken the basic program, and she's from Carmel Girls Correct. Carmel High School, Basveshwara Nagar. She scored 82 ninth standard. And then she took the program in January. She says after the program, she completely dedicated herself towards studies, and her percentage shot to 93. ICSE board, 93%, 10th standard, 82% 9th standard. Abhi ye ho gaya hai advance. So I'm sure if she goes on like this, her dream of becoming a doctor, she's definitely going to realize that dream. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's check her. Here, now the gentleman here, may I have your name?
Hi, Manoj Mack. Manoj Kumar Mack.
Okay, Mr. Mack is here, and he will just pick out a random page and give her the page number. And the moment he gives her the page number, she's going to take a couple of seconds to process it and then give the answer. Okay, is the angle fine? Okay, please go ahead.
I have to tell the page number?
Yeah, the page number.
Okay, 75.
Okay.
Page number 75.
75 speaks about the androecium and gynoecium. It has pictures of marginal placentation, free central placentation, axial placentation, parietal placentation, and basal placentation. Now, androecium basically is a male part of the flower. It consists of stamens. Now, the sterile stamens are called as a staminode. Gynoecium is a female part of the flower. It consists of corolla, calyx, and ovaries and ovules. Now, placentation is basically the arrangement of the ovules in a cushion-like structure which is called as a placenta. In the left side, if you can, that is my right side, you can see the 5 diagrams of different placentations.
Can we have this? Yeah. And there are 5 diagrams here. She's named them in the right order. She did not miss the order, and she says there are 5. You see this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and she's named them in the right order and the entire explanation. Can we have another page?
Thank you. 42.
Okay, this hasn't been done in
This
college,
hasn't,
but
yeah.
I'm going to try. I'll tell
Fine,
you
fine.
what is there.
Fine.
It speaks about the plant life cycle and its alterations. And in the left side, there are diagrams of haplontic, diplontic, and haplodiplontic life cycles. And in the second point, it speaks about the sporophytic types of reproduction. Third point, it speaks about and the last point, it speaks about both bryophytic and pteridophytic types of reproduction. In the second point, I think it speaks about
Diplontic.
yeah, diplontic. Very good.
All right.
Alright.
So you see this? Diagrams and everything here. And this wasn't covered in her college.
Very
Okay?
nice.
Very nice. Definitely.